Hello everyone, welcome to Taste of Veggie. Today I'll be showing you an easy, lazy weeknight meal using all Trader Joe's ingredients. It's flavorful, it's fresh and comes together in minutes. Let's make it. I have the regular pita bread from Trader Joe's. They also have a wheat version. If you would like to go for a wheat version, you can do that. I'm going to spread garlic spread dip on top and I'm going to toast it in the stove top. If you have a toaster, you can use it in the toaster too. I have two types of hummus here. We like the spicy version, so I'm going to use the crunchy chili onion hummus. If you want to go for a non-spicy version, you can do the roasted garlic hummus. Trader Joe's has a fully cooked falafel. The instruction says you can microwave it or you can use the conventional oven. I usually use an air fryer, which will give the crunchiness. If you microwave it, it will become a little soft. So it's up to you. You can also put it with a little bit of oil in a pan and fry it. That will also give some crunchiness to it. I have the small Persian cucumber. You can use any cucumber you want. And I have these organic microgreens that I'm going to top it off with. And I'm going to slice the onions and avocados to add it to the pita. And finally, I'm going to drizzle this cilantro dressing on top. Let's see how to make it. I have the tawa already heated up. I'm going to take the garlic spread and spread it on the pita, on both sides of the pita. It's already fully cooked. All we are trying to do is just warm it up with the garlic spread. The spread has melted on the one side. I'm going to turn it around. Keep the stove in the low flame. Otherwise, this garlic spread tends to burn the pita very quickly. So it just takes about a couple of minutes to thoroughly cook both sides. Well cooked on both sides, I'm going to transfer it to a plate. You can find this falafel in the freezer section of the Trader Joe's. When you open it, this is the falafel you get. And I air fried them for 5 minutes and this is how crunchy it becomes. I have cut the cucumbers in lengthwise because we are going to make a wrap. Cutting them lengthwise is easy, it doesn't fall quickly. And I have the avocados, thinly sliced onions and falafel. Let's bring them together now. When I'm taking the hummus, I'm going to take the little bit of the chilies and hummus together and spread it on the pita. Add a couple of cucumbers, avocados, onion. If you like to add tomatoes, you can add them too. Microgreens. And I'm going to cut the falafel in half and I'm going to add it at the bottom. Now I'm taking the cilantro dressing, going to drizzle it. Your pita dinner is ready in less than 10 minutes. So I have toasted the pita in the stove top. If you do not have a stove top, you can spread the garlic dip spread on the pita and put it in the microwave for about a minute and that should be good. Now let's give it a try. It is fresh, creamy and crunchy. The garlic spread gives a good garlic flavor. Pita is very soft. Falafel gives a crunchiness and the cucumber also adds the crunchiness. The hummus and avocado adds a creaminess to it. Such a nutritional meal in less than 10 minutes. I hope you like it. Please give it a try and let me know in the comments below how you made it and how you liked it. If you like the channel, please subscribe, share with your friends and please follow us for more tasty healthy videos. Thank you.